How you doing, guys? And I wanted to show you a product in case you're thinking of bobtailing your gun. Is the Ed Brown Bobtail Mainspring housing. You can get them in assorted different types. They got fish scale and diamond cut, and they've got different colors. But this is the stainless steel one. Or you can get it out of here. As you can see, there's the model number, stainless steel, and it's a 25 DPI checkered stainless steel Bobtail mainspring housing. Comes with the spring in there already, and I want to show you that. It's finished beautifully. It's satin, a matte finish, stainless. And I want to show you that checkering on that. Look at that. My hands are all beat up from working in the garden. I'll show you that. Isn't that nice? But I wanted to show you that in case you're thinking about getting a mainspring housing but bobtailing your gun. You can get this. They have regular mainspring housings, and they have them with the what is it? The blended, like on the bottom, the flared out magwell housing. So, but this is if you want to bobtail it, you're going to need to get this, and you also need to pick up a jig. But this is their mainspring housing. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.